How to clear cache in TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to clear cache in TikTok. To do this, you want to follow the simple steps. So what here you actually want to do is to clear your cache, open up your TikTok application on your device, and next you want to make sure to go ahead and tap on the profile initials. After which, tap on the menu bar from the top right, go to settings and privacy, and on this page you want to simply scroll down and you will be able to find this free up space. Click that out. There you have this cache. Click on it. Make sure to click on the clear button and exit out of this page. Open up your settings now and locate app section. When you locate app section, then click on TikTok or just locate TikTok. From the page, you want to click on storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now then, hold on to your side button and then restart your device for a smooth functioning. And that is the simplest way you could go ahead and clear cache in TikTok. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.